Yeah. So Shruti, like, I just want to know, first of all, I want to really know, like, because, I know starting was a little bit concerning, right? You had a lot of feedback for us, but how your experience has been working with us in these first 2 weeks?
Uh, it has been really great. Uh, we saw slow growth initially, but there were some issues from our end as well. But immediately we was able to see the hike, and our AOV has increased quite significantly. We were always stuck at 1500 or like below that only, but now every day we are touching like 1900, and it's been
Hmm.
like 6 days only yet. So I'm hoping it will cross 2500 very soon. Other than that, we are getting a lot of orders from our older customers, which never used to happen. I think our previous team were not running ads for top of the funnel, but our Locks is doing that. So that is also motivating for us because we do believe in the quality of our product, but when we saw that we are not getting a lot of orders from the repeat customer, it used to dishearten us, but that has changed now. And at all times, I'm seeing a lot of live audience on the website. I have never seen numbers like 100 or 80, 100 on our website live view. But these days it's almost almost always like 50, 80, 90. So that's really motivating. So I do trust that even if the growth is slow, but the growth is definitely there. And it's escalating at a 2x rate. So very happy with the performance of our dogs.
Okay. I think one thing I really want to clarify is also when we started, right? You had a little bit of concerns or I think issues regarding the communication, or maybe I don't know, was it coming from your previous experience, right? So how
Uh,
has been your experience communicating with me, with our team in these first 2 weeks?
yeah, so Dennis is sitting in Bali, but he's always able to give us time. He's very communicative like that. And uh, he reassures me personally as well. When I was a little, I had some issues. He called me back, and I was reassured. I was really happy about that because yeah, I was extremely skeptical when I didn't receive any response. So yeah, but he was able to just swipe off my concerns, and that was really great. I'm surprised how he's able to work so much from Bali, but yeah, like he does that. So the team is very communicative, and especially Dennis, I'm connected to him only, and it's great working.
Okay, perfect. And just to get an idea, like how do you see, I know it's been very short time, but how do you see future with us, 6 months, 1 year? Because I'm really looking very long term. But how
Yeah,
do you see, Basata growing, in next 6 months or 1 year down the line?
I feel like you guys are building a great foundation here. That's why that's something I'm mostly excited about, because if the foundation is good, then you can build on more and more. So definitely, like if within these 2 weeks only, I think it's not even been two proper weeks since our ads are live. But since the foundation is strong here, and that's why I'm sure that we'll be able to touch our target for this month as well. And within the coming months, we'll be able to do more than the targets that we have set for sure. And I'm really hopeful that we'll be able to do 1 crore very soon. And yeah, I'm sure of that. And the team will just I just love how you guys are representing the brand. Because earlier, like I mentioned as well, the ads were sort of like any other brand, average brand. But Basata is quite popular amongst people. Almost everybody in India, like they know Basata. So I was not happy with the kind of ads that were being run. But right now, all the segments are being targeted: top of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, middle of the funnel. So, I'm really happy about the kind of creatives you guys are using, the ad copies, everything. So, yeah, definitely, I feel if you guys are understanding the brand in this way, then we are definitely going way far together. And 1 crore is the goal. And I'm sure that we're going to touch that.
Yep, I think let's make it happen. This is the time
Yeah.
now to beat the competitors.
Yes, yes, that's
Absolutely.
good.
Yep, very
Yeah.
excited. I think we're also very excited to work, together because we personally see a lot of potential. I'm also very happy, that we are working together. So, yep, let's make the goals happen.
Yes.
Perfect. I think that's all. I'll share the creatives, Shruti, if there
Yeah.
is any requirement, and we'll
Yeah.
have the ads running for the new product as well today itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, please do, because this is I usually don't do paid collaboration, but this time I'm willing to do. Uh,
Hmm.
because there was this one creator that I saw, Lazo Store has been running their creative since a very long time. And so I just thought that if it's been going on since a long time, it must be doing good. So I've contacted her. So we are doing a minimal amount, but we're still doing a paid collaboration. So I would like to utilize that as much as possible. So, if you guys have any creative requirement from our end, then just let me know so that I'm just able to convey it to her. Yeah.
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Perfect. I think that's
Okay.
all. If there is anything, then we can connect again.
Huh.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Thank
That's
you.
all.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
Shubhankar. Bye.
Bye bye.